Hey guys, this is Daniel over at dronesinhawaii.com. Wanted to go ahead and make another video for you about airspace classifications here in the United States. You know, as a commercial drone pilot, it's important for you to know these different classes in order for you to be able to fly legally. So let's get started with the first one, Class A airspace. This is usually any airspace above the United States that's over 18,000 feet sea level, and it's essentially where international commercial flights go when they're trying to travel. So if you're going from New York to Madrid, you will most certainly find that your commercial airliner will be going into Class A airspace. Moving down, you're going to see that there's different airports that have different kinds of Class airspace classifications. The first one is Class B airspace, and normally this one is for international airports. Essentially, it's divided into three tiers. And so when the commercial airliner is approaching Class B airspace, they have to essentially contact ATC and allow permission for them to enter. As they enter into the first tier, they have to essentially go around in a circle until they are granted permission for the next tier, then the next tier, and then landing. Class C airspace is more for regional spaces, same concept as the Class B airspace, but it's divided into two sections. And then finally, Class D airspace is for regional airports. This is for anyone that's learning to fly, any kind of beginner pilots. What you're going to find is most of your operations as a commercial drone pilot are going to be done in Class G airspace. However, I do want to bring to your attention that there are some things called untowered airports. And so what they have is a different structure than the Class B, C, and D airspaces. And you're going to have to refer over to your sectional map in order for you to see what kind of structure the airspace has at that given time. But for the most part, that is how you classify different airspaces. Make sure to always ask for permission by the FAA if you want to fly in Class B, C, or D airspace. Class A airspace is pretty unreasonable for a drone to get up to 18,000 feet, so I don't think it's physically possible, but I can't stress enough the safety of going through the proper paperwork and scheduling a time that you can go and fly. You don't want to be the person that causes an accident. But hopefully, this kind of information has been valuable to you. It's necessary for you to pass your Part 107. Again, this was Daniel with dronesinhawaii.com going over the airspace classifications within the United States. Have a great day.